Oh, little bit of movement, shape away. That's very, very good from Anurit Singh, who started off. Now he's lashed onto that one. Taking him on, that's in the slot, and has put it away for the first boundary for Pakistan. Down the wicket, he doesn't quite nail it, but he finds the thick outside edge and it races away to the boundary. The intentions are pretty clear from the Pakistan skipper. There he goes, way over the top, and it's gone into the crowd. What a strike that is from Imran Nazir. 6 of the best. Right, that's going to land in the hands of a fielder. As I was mentioning, Yasir Butt not looking too comfortable, try to hit it over the top and hold out in the deep. That's a good catch taken.
Good catch taken by Naman Oza. I think it was getting away from him. If you see the replay, it looked easy, but it wasn't easy. He was going away and he had to turn, run back. Didn't go anywhere. Height was there, no distance on the shot, but still it had enough legs to reach that. But what a comfortable catch by Naman Oza, who is a wicket keeper, by the way.
Just swiveling away and tucking it nicely using the pace of the ball. He's gone for 4 runs. Some relief off the legs according to the umpire. It doesn't matter. It adds 4 more to the score for Pakistan. This time round he's really got that length he's been searching for. He waited, it was in the slot and he hit it away.
Oh, that's a good shot, that. Eventually Imran Nazir getting hold of it. Not really getting hold of it, but getting a boundary. That's the most important thing, because this is crucial. This is...
There he goes again. This time he gets the outside edge. Maybe it's a 6. Let's see the signal from the umpire. It has gone and hit that. There he goes. This time he latches on. This time he's gone big. Finishes on a high.
Well, again, plenty of room, plenty of time. Bad bowling by...
That line right through the line, out of the screws and into the crowd. He goes once again. It's high up in the air and then just bouncing in front. Not the most controlled shot, but 4 nevertheless. Imran on 47. Oh, he's been cleaned up with a Yorker. That is a very, very good delivery. He's looking very threatening. Subodh thanks the Almighty and he's done a grand job for his team.
Well, that's a good comeback for Indian team, because this was looking dangerous. And at this point, India needed a wicket really badly. This is a very good start considering the pitch, Shamim. And if the wickets would have been held, and Imran Nazir is a danger guy. So this could be the big turning point in this game. This is how he went. Again, Imran Nazir waiting for that short pitch delivery, trying to make room. But the Subodh Bhati, as I said earlier, was a white ball specialist. Bang in Yorker, right on spot. 47 well-made runs by Imran Nazir, and Pakistan loses the second wicket.
New batter Taufiq Umar immediately comes in and plays a delightful cover drive. Left short now. That was inviting trouble. It's exactly what it's got. It's been hammered away to the boundary. Oh, ball it wide, but it's headed away over the covers. What a lovely flourish of a couple of boundaries to finish the over for
So this will be a boundary. Rare occasion, Rishi Dhawan has been straying down the line, and he has been penalized for that this time.
Nicely done. Square driven for 4 runs. He's just turning it on. They're both joining in with the boundaries now, the two batters.
So there's a kind of a rivalry between the two nations also.
Yes, there is, and that adds that little bit of a perk and interest in any kind of match, as it does every time India and Pakistan meet. It's another boundary. The runs are coming thick and fast. Hit very hard and very quickly racing away to the boundary. This is a super strike. Not often that we've seen Anurit being hit right past him into that. Well, it's a very flat trajectory. What a flat or not, that's been, wow. Way he goes right down the line. He's going to go over the top. Another maximum. Just wide enough for him to try and get a bat to it. He does manage, and that's the end of it. That is a strike. He's really worked out very, very nicely how to get Taufiq Omar's wicket. It's looking very, very threatening. Let's have a look at what transpired. The Indians obviously very elated and relieved because Taufiq Omar was looking very dangerous. And let's have a look at the fall of Taufiq's wicket. Very crucial breakthrough. Here it is. Look at him, just a way he tries to poke at it and straight to that backward point fielder. Good catch taken, but a good innings from Taufiq Omar. Comes to an end. Proper playing days, representing the country. There you go, he's hit it and it's gone for 4 runs. This time he's found the gap between long off and deep extra cover. Well done there with the fans. Down the wickets, it's high in the air and it's been gobbled up. Well, he tried to go big, understandably at this point in time, but it was more the elevation and not the distance, and just the wicket that India needed to stem the flow of runs.
Excellent atmosphere there. You can see the fans are here cheering on the teams. That was up in the air. Well caught there by India. Great fielding. I think whatever the captain has said seems to be working. At this point, Pakistan will try to attack. India needs to take the bye, go the way. Great bowling. That's a wicket. He's bowled him out. Shadab again.
Well. He's just trying to play across the line. Not the best choice of shots. He'll be very annoyed with himself, but he kept that ball wicket to wicket. 2 wickets in a very crucial over. Look at this again. Just across the line, the ball kept a tad low and went and hit timber. That is a great wicket. Good comeback for the Indian bowlers. Rana comes and goes. Golden duck. Wow, another one. The wickets keep on tumbling, playing across the line, missing it completely, and the stumps are uprooted. It's the important wicket of Yasir Shah.
Just like that, India have another wicket. They will be the much happier of the two sides. 156 for 6.
Special announcement. The driver
there we go. Hold him straight.
SKJ1, please, you're blocking some.
There he goes, swivels round, gets the ball, going big into the crowd. That's what they need. They need that massive score, the maximum. He throws his bat, the slower ball, misses it completely. Very, very intelligently done. And a dot ball to finish the innings. 20 overs have been done. It's 167 for 6, the Pakistan Panthers.
End of the first inning, and Pakistan stands at 167 for the loss of 6 wickets.
Excellent display there from both teams.
India
I think in the end, Pakistan pushed. They looked like they were going to say they were 180 runs, but they've settled for 167 after 20 overs for 6, which is not a bad score, honestly. With the caliber of bowlers that Pakistani has, it's still a 50-50 game. I think everybody will keep their fingers crossed. India is more than capable of chasing the score, but the Pakistan can restrict them as well. We'll wait to see.
168 for Pakistan. Panthers ne. Let's see. He is
I've spoken to many of the Indian batsmen, and in his prime, they found him pretty hard to just gauge and get on top of him. Starting off with a wonderful boundary. First boundary of the Indian innings. Clean it. What a wonderful striker of the ball Naman Oja is. Look at that. It's a boundary. One bounce just almost went for the maximum. First over done, 10 for no loss. What a shot that is. Was expecting that, and he has hit that hook shot. Another one. Ali Ahmed is not learning. Wonder what he's trying to do. Clean hit.
Here we go. Great placement of the shot there. Will it go all the way? Boundary, Charan there. Great start from Abhishek.
2 and the arm goes up and then he takes the jump. So imagine how, oh, there you go. This is what was expected from Mohammad Irfan, and that edge, wicketkeeper making no mistakes. First wicket down, big wicket down for India. And now the match is on. Naman Oja departs. India loses the first wicket at 29.
Oja is out.
Naman Oja gone, having scored only 4 runs off 4 balls. This is a big wicket for Pakistan. Just like that, they have the breakthrough. Will it change the dynamics of this game? We'll wait and see. There goes the ball. Great length from Irfan. It was swinging outside. Easy picking for the keeper. You see the variation from Irfan. There is that experience that he's got. Just setting the batsman up. The previous ball, he bowled a Yorker. Then this ball, he just bowls a good length and it's swinging outside. That's the experience we were talking about.
Boundary. So he couldn't finish off his over well, managing to give 6 runs. What a ball, what a shot. It's a 6, my God. You know, that's what they say, that when you swing hard. Because this was a miss hit, but in cricket, you are the winner if you get runs. Behind the bowler's head. Oh, there's another wicket gone. Mohammad Irfan is rewarded. 2 in similar fashion. Another batsman departs, caught behind.
Out for Pakistan.
जी अभिषेक लोटा बहुत ही बढ़िया बैटिंग कर रहे थे, बट ये इस गेंद पे थोड़ा सा अपनी उंगलियां फेरी थी और जिसको समझ नहीं पाए, और नतीजा जो है कीपर के पास एक आसान सा कैच, जिसकी वजह से अभिषेक लोटा आउट होते हुए और यहाँ पे दूसरा झटका लगता हुआ इंडियन वेल्स को.
This one was a slower one from Irfan. The shot was completed, then the ball came and just managed to nick the outside edge of the bat. No mistakes done by the wicketkeeper. And delight on the faces. Pakistan back in the game.
Rishi Dhawan, star player of Indian side.
Ali Rahat. Going away 25 runs. That's opened the face, and the ball's gone to deep third for a boundary, much to the elation of the Indian supporters here. Whoa, that's going to be close. Big appeal. Oh my goodness, yes. For 9 by Rana Nasim Anwar. Let's have a look at the replay. Have a closer look. Oh no, it just missed the pads. I thought it just got a bit of pad right on the off stump. Great bowling. He put up the pressure and eked out the wicket. Still wearing a cap on his bowling. It's quite sunny outside. Whoops! turns round, direct throw. Now, he's going to go upstairs, have another look. This is interesting. Direct throws are always interesting. I think they're pretty happy that they've got their man. Players.
This is a very crucial moment in the game. It could turn out to be a huge decider. Pakistan are just from getting another wicket off the bowling of Rana.
Well, the replay, here we go. Just a little push. A bit of doubt, yes and no. As he was sent back, that was the throw. Maybe from this angle it'll give a better picture. He goes back, he's sent back and is... oh, goodness. Need to slow down that replay. Yes and no. What a pickup on his follow through, and he reckons he's out. And he is, it's been confirmed. What a brilliant piece of fielding, and that's another wicket down.
Pakistan Panthers is making a debut, and you can see them playing on the pitch, but off the pitch all the fans are playing and cheering.
This guy, the Pakistan bowler, didn't quite bowl that.
Let's have the cheer. Let's have the cheer. 1, 2, 3, start. तो यहाँ पे एक हैंडशेक हो जाए दोनों का, इंडिया और पाकिस्तान का. देखो भाई, हमने बॉर्डर्स पर कोई भी कुछ भी हो रहा है, यहाँ पर तो हमने मिलन करवा दिया है. इन Zambia they are friends.
Really taking the bowling apart. Rana, who's bowled so very well. Here's another big one. How far is that going? Another bounce. One more boundary. The runs are really flowing here.
It go out for 4.
Well, the last one was a boundary. They're really opening up. Wow. Every ball he's been facing, he has really given it the charge. And it's gone for another maximum. Oh, Wilds swing and he misses it and goes for byes. Should be signaled. Yeah, 4 runs nevertheless.
Rishi Dhawan on 30 off 18. Cut shot right into the gap. Excellent shot there. Will it go all the way? Charan, 4 runs, just like that. Rishi Dhawan tries to go big. It's up in there. Oh, great attempt from the fielder there. It will go all the way. Excellent effort, I must say. You can see the fans there applauding the effort. It's huge. Good shot from Saru, a hard hit. It'll go all the way for a maximum. The fans there jubilating, appreciating the much needed maximum for India. Rishi Dhawan on strike. Ooh, edged, went over the keeper there. Will it go all the way for 4? Charan, 4 runs for India there. He goes and he goes big. Is there a mandate? Goes over the boundary for 6. As signaled by the umpire there.
Oh, what a shot that is. Just stand and deliver. Clean bowl. Just the angle created by Ali Ahmed. Too little, too late. And then after that, just go for the big hike. Oh, scooped up again. There you go. Another wicket goes down. What do you have to say now?
Yeah, well, as I said, if wickets fall, then there will be pressure, and suddenly from a position of strength, and when they were really sailing along so smoothly, the 2 wickets in this over, really Pakistan has got just that outside chance of getting back into this game.
All right, see the ball stopping. He had played so well till now. And just trying to maybe play inside out, trying to play over the covers. Be a handful, 2 new batsmen on the crease. Oh, is it out? Has he taken it? Yes, it has. Brilliant catch.
They are celebrating 3 within 4 balls. This is incredible. What a turnaround. This game keeps on surprising. He didn't feel that the fielder in the slips took a clean catch. He's been given out by the umpire. Well, he's got to go.
Well, the batsman is doing the right thing. He's holding his ground. He wants to make sure, ensure that the catch was taken. And he's gesturing towards the umpire to check whether it was taken cleanly. It needs to be judged. And in this day and age, Shamim, I don't think so any fielder would take a chance of claiming a catch which he's not got.
And from the body language, from the demeanor of the rest of the close-in catches, it seemed as if it was taken cleanly immediately. And he's told, sorry, I think we all in the ground, they think that he's out. And what? This is just incredible. India imploding after being in absolute control. Farman goes without bothering the scorers. Golden duck. Full toss, 8 away. That is really a nothing delivery and deserved the treatment. And then recovered. Big appeal, that's gone. Wow. What is going on here? They are crumbling. The Pakistan is really turning it on from a position of almost hopelessness. They've turned this game around and are dictating terms.
I hate to say so, but I told you so. I said that there's many a slip between the cup and the lip. It was 30 of 30 deliveries with 5 wickets in hand. And now India has created this opportunity for Pakistan. Have committed harakiri. Jakarti, after scoring a brilliant boundary, just casually trying to turn the ball on the leg side, has given up the wicket. And I think a good decision by the... Because this was out. Because he was not going anywhere.
Blast of passion, energy. This is what India versus Pakistan stands for. मैच अब यहाँ पर देखोगे?
That's it. Whips it away. The ball races away to the boundary. India, after a bit of a stutter, surprising stutter at the end, have made it look simple once again. 3 balls and they got the runs that was required for this very important win. Second one for India in this tournament.
Pakistan was holding back Mohammad Irfan's 1 over, hoping that it goes to the wire, but